My name is Khuram and I am a student in the Restorative Dental program at Durham Tech. My grandfather, my dad's dad, was also a dental technician, and so I'm third generation, and I never imagined wanting to actually go to school for it. I thought I could just learn a lot from it, from his lab that he had, because he had a lab growing up. He started from his garage, and I was just around it from such a young age, but I always had it as like the last plan in my mind. And when I was 22, about 3 years ago, and I started coming into it, and I started realizing, wow, this is a respected profession. I went to Chicago Lab Day, and I realized this has a lot more potential than just some technician in a little lab. So my dad actually put the idea in my mind, you should pursue a CDT, pursue that. And I was like, no, I don't know, I feel like I can just learn. But from just 2 semesters of being here, I realized, okay, there was so much that I didn't know. There's so many conversations with dentists that I would not have been able to clearly have if it wasn't for the terminology that I'm learning here and all the techniques. I currently live in Virginia, so I drive down here 2.5 hours on Sunday evenings, and honestly, it is worth the sacrifice with the amount of learning that I'm getting and that I know it's gonna help me in the future. I think what it really requires is a person to have patience to be able to take a couple steps back, repeat, and if maybe take another step back and repeat that again and keep your cool within that. If you can do that, it really is the best. If you're artistic, if you're patient, and if you like to be a service to people, because this will definitely bring smiles to people's faces and comfort to their lives, then that is exactly what dental technician is for.